Hi, in the last video we saw some interesting patterns in square numbers. In this video we will continue and discover a few more interesting patterns in square numbers. Okay, let us begin with a very interesting idea. Imagine arranging objects like fruits or circles in the shape of a triangle, right? Like a ladder growing step by step. We get the following pattern. Does this pattern look like a triangle? Yes, each triangle is bigger than the previous one. Also, let us write number of circles in each triangle, right? In the first place, there is one circle. In the second triangle, there are 3 circles. In the third triangle, there are 6 circles. In the fourth triangle, there are 10 circles. And in the fifth triangle, there are 15 circles, right? And this pattern keeps growing. Can you guess how many circles will be there in the next triangle? Okay, now let us add the number of circles in each consecutive triangles. Okay, in this table I have written number of circles. As we have seen in the previous slide, triangle 1 has 1 circle, triangle 2 has 3 circles, as you can see here also. Triangle 3 has 6 circles. After that we have 10 circles and 15 circles in triangle 4 and 5 respectively, right? Okay, so did you notice a pattern on the square number? Let us see. If we add first two numbers, that is 1 and 3, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, right? And 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, and this is 2 to the power 2, right? 2 square. Okay, let us add number of circles in second triangle and number of circles in third triangle, right? So here we have 3 plus 6, this is equal to 9. 9 is written as 3 multiplied by 3, right? This is 3 to the power 2 or 3 square, right? And when we add triangle 3, number of circles in triangle 3 and number of circles in triangle 4, that is we are adding these two triangles, right? 6 plus 10, this is equal to 16. 16 is 4 multiplied by 4, or it is 4 to the power 2 or 4 square, right? Same way, when we add triangle 4 and triangle 5, that is number of circles in triangle 4 and number of circles in triangle 5, then we are adding these two triangles, that is 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15 is 25, and 25 is 5 to the power 2 or 5 square, right? So when we add number of circles in two consecutive triangles, we get a perfect square. Now your turn. What square number will you get if you add the number of circles in fifth and sixth triangles? Okay, you can write your answer in comments. Okay, in this video we learned that triangular numbers form a pattern where adding two consecutive triangular numbers gives a perfect square, right? Okay, I hope you understood this pattern clearly. In the next video, we will explore even more interesting patterns in square numbers. Thank you for watching.